Alright, here are all my loose powders and powder foundations. There are a few here on the side. I'm not sure you guys can see these. There we go. Alright, so I just took my tray out of my Alex 9 drawer, so we're going to go ahead and start with this. So I have the RCMA No Color Powder. This is unopened. I have yet to try it, so really do want to try it, so I'm going to keep that. The Peter Thomas Roth Instant Mineral Broad SPF 45. This, unfortunately, I just checked this the other day. It's expired, so I'm going to be throwing that away. Next I have this Pixie Quick Fix Powder. I've had it for a full year, have not reached for it, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that along. I have this Physicians Formula Cushion Foundation in Light. Have not reached for it for a very long time. I did think it was a pretty good product, but I'm just going to go ahead and pass that along as well. Not using it. Same with my Lumi Cushion. This is in the wrong shade, N3.5. I thought maybe if I self-tanned I would use it, but I have not, so I'm going to pass that along. It's unopened. The Jouer Glistening Brightening Powder. It's pretty nice, but I have other powders that I like better. Passing that along. I maybe use this once or twice. Marc Jacobs, oh, this is another foundation, like a regular foundation that I forgot to mention. This is Marvelous Mousse Foundation in Bisque Medium. Honestly, I might pass this along because it's a little bit dark. I think I'm going to try this one out this week and see if it ends up working out for me, so I'll keep that for now. Next we have the Prep Set and Go from Milani. Going to pass that along. It's not my favorite. Bye Bye Pore Powder. This is like the pressed version. I never reach for it. Getting rid of that. The By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. This is amazing. Amazing for setting your under eye. Kristen Game talks about it a lot too. If you don't follow her, I'll make sure to link her below. But she's right when she raves about this. Love that, so I will keep that. This is the Tarte Filtered Light Setting Powder. I honestly haven't really used that enough, so I'm going to keep a hold of that. The Peach Blur. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging, but the powder isn't that magical. I mean, it's pretty. Well, that'll be a maybe for now. Bareminerals Invisible Lights. Not really into it. Going to pass that along. The Lancome, this is the Absolute Powder in Absolute Pichet? I don't know. It's beautiful. I absolutely love this loose powder, so I am keeping that. Same with my Laura Mercier powder. Cover Effects, this is, I love their setting powders, but this one's the illuminating one, and it's just too much for my oily to normal skin, so I'm going to get rid of that. Same with this Becca, the Pink Haze. This is called a blurring powder. I'm just not in love with it. Love the packaging though. So I'm going to pass that along. Okay, we're running out of room. 1 second. Okay, so I have the MAC Studio Fix in NW15. It's actually a little light for me, so I'm going to go ahead and sell that because someone else will love that, I'm sure. It's a beautiful powder. Laura Geller Baked and Balanced in Fair. I have not touched this, but I know this is a beautiful powder, so I do want to keep that. Then we have the IT Cosmetics. You can tell I gave this a lot of love. And it's the Celebration Foundation in Light Medium. It's way too dark for me right now. It's a beautiful powder though. I think maybe I'll hand this off to my mom because this will be a better shade for her. So I'm going to get rid of that. Then I have the Celebration Foundation Illumination in Light. And this will be a better shade for me. So I haven't tried that out yet. I'm going to keep a hold of that. Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation in Light Medium. Too dark for me. Going to pass that along. It smells like chocolate. It's amazing. Same thing. I wish this worked for me, but I haven't even attempted to try this because it's way too dark for me. It's the Super BB Insta Ready from Physicians Formula. Next I have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, but in the loose powder. This is going to be a maybe. I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep a hold of that. Oh, this is in limited edition packaging. Isn't that stunning? I have one of these in my purse as well in the correct shade for me, but this is in golden medium. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to someone that will love that. The I Want Candy Banana Powder from Too Faced. Love the packaging, but the product does not really suit my skin, so passing that on. Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfection Powder in shade 1. This is very similar to my Hourglass powders. This is going to be another maybe. I'm not 100% sure with that one. Born This Way powder, I am almost done, unfortunately. About a little over halfway done with this powder. I've been using it all the time, almost every day, for sure keeping it. I'm also keeping this Infallible Pro Glow from L'Oreal. It's really beautiful on my skin. The Hello Flawless from Benefit. This is in the shade Champagne. It's a little yellow for me. I'm going to pass that along. I love that powder though. Wet n Wild Photo Finish Pressed Powder in Neutral Beige. I used to really reach for this a lot and now I don't, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Love, love, love this powder. It's a full coverage powder from IT Cosmetics, the CC Plus Airbrush Perfecting Powder. I've been using this like crazy, so I'm going to definitely keep using this in Fair. Same with this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I've been using it. Look at that, hit pan, so this is staying. The Peach Perfect, this loose powder, I have not used it enough, so I will be keeping this. Chanel, oh, this powder is so beautiful. I need to use this more. It's a translucent powder. It's in 30 Neutral. Translucent 2, I'll be saving, I'll be keeping that. But the Givenchy Prism Libre powder, beautiful, beautiful packaging, but I don't use it. I'm going to go ahead and pass that along. So the maybes that I had were the Laura Mercier. I did not include my Hourglass powders in this because I consider those more highlights and like finishing highlighting products for me, so I didn't include those, but I think I will keep the Laura Mercier for now. IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, I'm going to get rid of. I haven't been using it because I like other powders more. So here are all the powders I will be either selling or giving away. You can't even see all of them. Hold on, guys. Let's move these up a little. Okay, hopefully you can see. These are even stacked up, layered a bit. And these are the ones I'm going to be keeping. Does probably seem like still quite a few, but I like the variety. And I like having some full coverage powders as well as loose powders for setting and setting under eye. So, oh, you know what, you guys? I'm sorry, I forgot one powder. I will include this Hourglass powder. I will be keeping it. It's in Diffuse Light. I set my under eye every day with this. So there's another powder I'll be keeping. Alright, that is it for this time's declutter. I will be doing a lip product declutter. I'll probably do a full video on lipsticks, a full video on gloss, blush, highlight, eyeshadow palettes. So be on the lookout, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.